The damage we are causing to our planet, plus the knowledge that Venus and Mars may have been hospitable for life in the distant past, has led to the idea of terraforming. Terraforming is the idea of transforming a planet so that life, or even humans, could survive. It's an enormously ambitious undertaking, and we've only begun to decide the issues in principle, not in practice. In the case of Mars, the idea would be to add enormous numbers of microbes that generate carbon dioxide or water, and steadily but slowly raise the temperature, pressure, such that it went above 0 degrees. At that point, Mars would enter the habitable zone, and the gradual buildup of the atmosphere could eventually make it habitable for humans. This would take a very long time and a huge amount of money. On Venus, the issue is different, because Venus is intolerably hot with its dense atmosphere of carbon dioxide and inhospitable. So in this case, we're seeking to lower the temperature to below 100 degrees C. The way to do this would be with an enormous sunshade or microbes that consume carbon dioxide. These technologies are fantastically speculative, but people have begun to see that they could be possible. The time it would take to terraform a major terrestrial planet would be millions of years. This is no quick fix to our problem, and in any case there are moral and ethical implications of transforming a planet.